Sprouts are a vegetable with a light flavor and little calories. It includes a lot of nutrients that are beneficial to health. Starting with the significant vitamin C content, protein, and fiber all contribute to the food's characteristic crunch. Sprouts also include a variety of other minerals, including calcium, phosphorus, iron, fat, carbs and energy. Bean sprouts provide numerous health advantages in addition to being quite helpful for boosting fertility. Here are some bean sprouts' health benefits that you should know. 1. Beneficial for digestion. Legumes, seeds, and vegetables can all be sprouted to help remove phytic acid from their membranes, which inhibits the presence of digesting enzymes in the seeds. Many of the crucial enzymes found in the seeds aid in digestion, regulate our metabolism, and enhance stomach chemical reactions that take place as we digest food. When the food is digested, the enzymes also break it down more completely, which improves our ability to absorb nutrients. Sprouting legumes or cruciferous vegetables adds dietary fiber to the seeds, which helps the body get rid of toxins and maintains a healthy and clean stomach. 2. Encourages weight loss. While having high-quality fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds is essential for optimal weight loss, sprouts are also a nutritious food to consume. In addition to being rich in beneficial nutrients, they are also low in calories, which is a key factor in why many Weight Watchers prefer to eat them as snacks. Additionally, the satiety-inducing fiber in sprouted grains can help us feel full and prevent the release of ghrelin, a key appetite hormone. You should add sprouted beans and fenugreek seeds in your diet if you want to lose weight. 3. Beneficial for blood circulation and immunity. Sprouts are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals including iron, copper, manganese, and potassium that help the body produce more red blood cells, RBCs, encourage blood flow, and most importantly, supply oxygen-rich, healthy blood to important organs. Similar to this, it is known that the germination of seeds and pulses increases the levels of vitamin C and antioxidant profiles, which boost RBCs and the immune system and reduce the risks of diseases and infections. 4. Enhances coronary health. Some sprouts have beneficial omega-3 fatty acids that lower the body's dangerously high level of bad cholesterol, which is bad for your health. If consumed consistently, the anti-inflammatory characteristics also assist lower oxidative stress and lower the chance of developing cardiovascular issues. Make sure to consume a lot of them in your diet. 5. Promotes healthy skin and hair. Beans and sprouted germs are also a great source of antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and other nutrients that are excellent for the health of your skin and hair. According to some reports, vitamin A promotes cell renewal, hair follicle growth, and skin hydration. Meanwhile, zinc might increase the amount of sebum in your scalp. They are therefore great for your skin and overall wellness. 6. Has anti-cancer properties. We are aware that sprouting has numerous detoxifying, heart and gut-friendly properties. Many people are unaware that germination and sprouting produce large amounts of glucoraphanin, an essential enzyme that protects your body from multiple types of cancers. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.